In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website after publishing. If your site is already live and you want to make updates, don't worry, Wix makes it very simple to go back in, edit your content, and publish those changes without having to rebuild anything from scratch. Whether you want to update text, replace an image, or add something new to the page, the process is straightforward once you know where to click. To get started, go to the Wix homepage and sign in to your account. Once you are in, you'll arrive at your account dashboard. This is where Wix keeps all of your websites and site management tools in one place. From here, look for the My Site section. You'll see the websites connected to your account. Find the website you want to update. Then click the Edit Site button. This opens the Wix drag and drop editor, which is where you can make changes to your live website design and content. The editor is visual, so what you see on the screen closely reflects how your site is built. Once you are inside the editor, you can begin making your changes. If you want to edit text, simply double-click on any text box from there. You can type new wording and adjust things like the font, size, and color. This is useful if you need to refresh headlines, fix outdated information, or improve your messaging. If you want to swap an image, click on the image you'd like to replace and choose Change Image. You can then upload a new image or select one that's already available in your Wix Media library. Make sure the image fits the style and dimensions of your page so everything looks clean and professional. To add something new, click the plus icon in the top left corner of the editor. This opens the Add Elements panel, where you can insert text blocks, buttons, videos, shapes, galleries, and more. This is a great way to expand your page without disrupting the rest of your layout. Before making anything live, click Preview in the top right corner. This lets you check how your site looks and functions, including on desktop and mobile. It's always a good idea to review your changes carefully before publishing. When you are happy with everything, click Publish in the top right corner. That's the step that pushes your updates to the live website. Keep in mind that clicking Save only stores your progress inside the editor. It does not update the public version of your site. To make your changes visible to visitors, you must click Publish. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.